Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. Let's look at our annual income calculator. This is a calculator that will instantly show you your annual income, monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, even hourly rate. So it's really just quite simple. In the calculator here, you'll choose your currency. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's stick with USD. And let's say 5,000, and then we choose the pay period. Let's do bi-weekly, 52 weeks per year. And if we want to, we can even tick this box here to add a bonus. Let's say you get a year-end bonus of 3K. So that will calculate in. So you'll instantly see your $5,000 bi-weekly. You will have the annual income, monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, daily, even hourly. And then down below the calculator, you'll see a lot of helpful content. We have FAQs. There are different rates explained. The formula is explained, how we calculate it, and so on. And there are different normal rates and so on. So you can gather some more information. But super helpful tool that will instantly show you the different rates for the different periods. If you do have any questions for this calculator, just comment down below.